Hello, welcome to Libra, Philippines. So, reading to for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Yan, kasi hindi ito personal reading. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And, friend ko yun, guys. Hindi ako yun. Friend ko yun. Paki-like na rin or subscribe na rin yung kanyang channel dito sa YouTube, Jing Tarot Trader. And para sa ibang sa ibang channels, nandiyan na sa description box. And punta ka na lang din sa TikTok, paki-follow na lang din ako doon, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Let's start your reading. Okay. So, wait lang, nahulog yung isang card. So, for Libra, you do have your crush journal and intervention. You do have here pretending. So, sa nakikita natin, maybe you are currently sad. I feel like you need help, no? Or nakikita mo yung situation mo ngayon na parang hindi ka okay. You want to get out of your situation. I don't know if yung iba sa inyo, you might be reading books, pero or maybe meron ka mga bagay na inaaral, pero parang hindi mo natututunan yung mga inaaral mo dito. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng sa ngayon hindi mo nakikita ng ganda yung situation mo, no? Yung iba sa inyo, nagtataray ka lang na mag-pretend or magpakita na parang okay ka lang. Yung conversation or pakikipag-usap sa iba, nakakakita ko ng mga kamag-anak Pwedeng pagdating lalo sa kanila, you're lying. Or pwedeng hindi mo masabi sa kanila na ikaw ay nasasaktan, nalulungkot. Maybe you're trying to be okay. Pero in reality, you are sad, no? You are not okay. I can see toxic people na isa pa sa nakakadagdag or maaring sila ang pinaka main reason kung bakit ka nagiging ganyan. Sa ngayon, feeling mo mag-isa ka lang. Feeling mo walang makakatulong sa'yo. So, bakit pa kailangan mong i-voice out kung ano nararamdaman mo sa iba? Feeling mo naman di ka naman nila matutulungan. Diba? I want to know, anong messages for Libra? Ano yung mga dapat na marinig? For Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. Ano yung dapat marinig ni Libra? You do have your luck box. Negotiator. Interview. Drama queen. Nakakita tayo dito ng drama, no? Normal, maaaring malaking pagsubok sa'yo na kailangan mo talagang gamitin yung um, galing mo. Or actually, I don't see this as your galing, but rather weakness mo na makipag-usap, makipag-communicate. Hindi ko yun nakikita na kaya mong gawin eh. No? Kasi you are not the kind of person na ipapakita yung iyong emotion, sanay ka nagmamatigas, or might be the energy here is that you are trapped. Wala kang lusot. So, ngayon, kailangan mo talagang sabihin or i-voice out. I don't know if you have did something wrong, may ginawa ka bang mali or what. Kasi it's looking like the energy of you na kung may ginawa kang mali, you have to voice it out. Or kung itong emosyon mo ay hindi mo nakaya or ikaw ay talaga nalulungkot, kailangan mo yung sabihin. Kung may mga you have your obsession, hindi mo na kayang pigilan, or may mga bagay kang hindi mo nakaya ng pigilan, and you do have your access granted. So, this is you being fake sa harap ng iba, sa social media, and you do have your waves. In reality, you are not okay. So, ang pinaka nakikita natin dito is kailangan mong kausapin yung mga taong may mali ka or hindi naging okay. Or, alam mo yon, kailangan mong sabihin ko ano talaga yung nararamdaman mo. Because ikaw yung nagpapahirap sa sarili mo eh. Maybe if you need help, just tell them. Or if you think na kaya mo naman mag-isa and you don't need anyone's help, just tell them. 'Di ba? Kaya ka naman mag-isa, maybe you just want support, you just need their support para kahit papaano emotionally maging okay ka. That's the energy here. And sinasanggahan mo kasi yung ibang tao to help you. Maybe kung may mga toxic people, meron din mga taong willing sumuporta at tumulong sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang maging open sa kanila. And tell me more. You do have your on the table. Yan, nagpakita na to kanina actually. On the table is, it's like irreconcilable differences is here. And waves. I see that sobrang magkalayo or magkaiba yung inyong thinking or mindset nitong taong ito or mga taong ito. Kaya medyo mahirap mag-voice out eh. Kasi magkaiba yung thinking ninyo. And pagdating sa person na nagkakaroon ng conflict, maybe you need to tell these people your plan, your offer. Maybe you need to offer them something, or sabihin mo yung, bigyan mo lang ng peace of mind na committed ka dito, na hindi mo to aalisan, lalayuan, tatakbuhan, whatever this situation is. For some of you, if you are dealing with a toxic person na may love na involved dito, this is the time na kailangan mong mag-quit ng relationship. Yung iba pwedeng naghiwalay na eh. And hindi mo actually yung emotion mo sa ngayon, You don't know if you would feel happy or what. You want to, pero may mga emotions pa hindi mo maintindihan eh. Parang, dapat ba ako maging masaya kasi wala na kami. Yung iba wala, ano eh, may ganun eh, may ganung energy. Pero yung iba, if you're still with this toxic person, all you have to do is to quit or, end na yung relationship. Pero para doon sa iba na nakaalis na sa relationship, if you're sad, it's okay to be sad. Bakit? Maybe you're sad because hindi mo gusto yung nangyari or what. It's okay. Okay lang yun. Diba? Kailangan mo lang ng person to talk to para mailabas itong mga emotions na nararamdaman mo. Maybe you feel takot, embarrassed, and maybe pagdating sa feeling, maybe sa emotional mo, sa feeling mo, hindi ka maganda, hindi ka pogi. Kasi bakit itong, or hindi ko deserve, ganon. May mga ganon tayo nakikita eh. Yung iba, maybe you are thinking about your looks and kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, parang hindi mo to ma-appreciate because of what these toxic people are telling you or nakita mo sa kanila or mga ginawa nila sa'yo. So parang kung ano man yung meron ka ngayon, hindi mo ngayon ma-appreciate. Yung iba, itsura yung tinutukoy ko. Yung iba, pwedeng kung ano yung mga meron ka, like material things or whatever, no, hindi mo ngayon ma-appreciate. And yun yung pero yung iba sa inyo, nakakita ko na kahit paano na nakaahon ka na ng konti. Kumbaga, sa mga bagay na nagpapahirap sa'yo. Mga bagay na itinatago mo. Yung iba pwedeng may mga nakaalam na, may mga... Kaya nga may mga taong willing to support you eh. So, what will happen in the near future for you, Libra? In the near future, you do have your access granted, which is still, this is you being fake, being not open, pagdating sa social media, pagdating sa... I'm seeing some of you pwedeng may third party situation dito na involved. But there's happiness, so maybe you're already happy. So, okay, why? Kasi pwedeng, yung iba, the third person na tinutukay natin, pwedeng ito yung coming towards you. I can see people coming towards you. And itong mga taong to, they are willing to accept you for who you are, who you are and what you have. And I feel like it would feel like parang mali, parang hindi pwede, ganito, ganyan. But yeah, you do have your retaliation. So this is payback time. Payback time. May mga dadating na tao sa buhay mo na magdudulot dito sa iyo ng pwedeng happiness. No? I'm seeing a baby. So yung iba sa inyo, there's a baby involved. So, nakakita tayo dito ng itong taong ito, pag nakita nila, or yung mga toxic people na ito, or toxic person na ito, pag nakita niya yun, yung bagong taong papasok or dadating sa buhay mo, nagkakaroon siya ng realization, no, na parang, nakikita natin medyo mababaliktad yung sitwasyon. This person would feel like na parang kailangan ka niya or gusto ka niya because maybe yung iba pwedeng kasi ayaw niya mapunta ka sa iba, or pwedeng magkaroon siya ng realization na importante kasi itong baby na ito eh, yung kids na ito eh, whatever, no? So pwedeng ganun. If there's a children na involved or child na involved, so pwedeng ganun. Pwedeng ma-realize niya yung bagay na yun. And what is the advice for you? You do have your come together and grip. Well, the advice for you is to focus on yourself, kung paano mas aayusin. Maybe you need to be more healthy. And, the triggers is here. So, you do have your name, car, place. So, sa nakikita natin, if you have your dreams, focus on that. Come together is here. So, um, I'm seeing na maybe kung ano man yung nangyayari sa iyo, this is what you need na maranasan talaga sa buhay mo para maging masaya. And this third person, siya talaga magpapasaya sa'yo. Okay? Maybe tapos ka na sa karma mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.